Welcome to our PSU Showdown. Today, we're diving deep into two power supply units that cater to vastly different needs. The budget-friendly Thermaltake SMART 600W and the high-performance CORSAIR RM1000x. Which you're building a simple gaming rig or a powerhouse workstation, choosing the right PSU is crucial. Let's explore what each of these units has to offer. Let's start with power output. The Thermaltake SMART 600W provides a reliable 600 watts, which is sufficient for most mid-range systems. In contrast, the CORSAIR RM1000x boasts a massive 1000 watts, making it ideal for high-end gaming rigs and professional workstations that demand more power. This significant difference in capacity means that the RM1000x is better suited for users planning to run multiple GPUs or overclocking their systems. Next, we look at efficiency. The Thermaltake SMART 600W is rated at 80+ standard, which means it meets basic efficiency standards but may generate more heat and consume more power under load. On the other hand, the CORSAIR RM1000x is Cybernetics Gold certified, indicating it operates at up to 91% efficiency. This higher efficiency translates to lower electricity bills and less heat generation, making it a more environmentally friendly choice. Lastly, let's discuss cable management. The Thermaltake SMART 600W features a non-modular design, meaning all cables are fixed and can lead to clutter inside your case. In contrast, the CORSAIR RM1000x is fully modular, allowing you to connect only the cables you need for your build. This not only enhances airflow, but also makes for a cleaner and more organized setup, which is especially important in high-performance builds. In conclusion, the choice between the Thermaltake SMART 600W and the CORSAIR RM1000x ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for an affordable option for a basic build, the SMART 600W is a solid choice. However, if you want a high-performance PSU that can handle demanding components and future upgrades, the RM1000x is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.